Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Android device runs Android 8. 0 or later, you have network access, and you've saved any account backup codes. Once done, open the Play Store, search Google Authenticator, and install it. You're doing this now because installing first avoids interruptions when linking accounts. Make sure battery saver is off so the app can refresh codes reliably. This prevents timing drift while you proceed to add your first account. You'll next link an account by signing into that service and navigating to two-factor settings. Select the Authenticator app option to reveal a QR code. Then, in Google Authenticator, tap the plus icon, choose Scan a QR code, and point your camera at the code. This exchange is a shared secret so codes sync correctly. If scanning fails, choose Enter a setup key and type the provided string. This alternative prevents camera or permission issues. Once the account appears, the app begins generating 6-digit code. Finish by verifying the setup. Enter the current 6-digit code shown in the app into the service to confirm the shared key. Once verified, record backup codes or add a secondary device to avoid lockout. Make sure you store backups securely. If something goes wrong, check your phone's time synchronization. Authenticator codes depend on accurate time, so enable automatic network time. If issues persist, revoke and recreate the key or reinstall the app. Then repeat the QR or manual key step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.